Yo, what is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is a beautiful Saturday morning. We're gonna get some pulls in. We're gonna get some drive-by shots for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn up the burbles on the car to max. We're gonna get some nice drive-bys, rollers, whatever we could get. I got my brother, he's gonna film for me, so this should be good. Make sure you hit that button down here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we go get into the Let's go. Sheesh. Yeah. Yes, sir. That one, the tight turn? Yeah.
Another, like, gray ears.
Oh, this is the hard.
Scary.
This is the hard, and then there's another street right here, right? Oh no, this isn't where we were at.
That's why I said you should do a pool video.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
What? Just stop and do it?
Just drop you off and then go down and then come back flying.
All right, get out. Wait, no, right.
Just be careful.
Right here?
Like all through here, just
want to get out. Okay, you get out and I'll drive down and then. Alright, so we're out here. We're gonna get you guys a couple of sorry for the wind. I don't know if it's coming in the camera, but we're gonna get some pulls on this straight right here.
the back end came out very good today.
Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Are they Instagram worthy?
It's the best one.
Are they Instagram worthy?
I don't know, is it?
I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, it is. All right, let's do this standstill. see the eagle? What the fuck? Yo, that motherfucker was eating a rat, bro. What the heck? Ready? All right, everybody. So it's a short little video. We did a couple pulls over here in the Sutter Buttes. Yeah, more content coming soon. I'm gonna actually get some camera mounts, the chest mount, could do some point of views if y'all want to see that. It was a little windy up there, so you're not really gonna be able to hear a lot of it, but there's some good content in there, so just make sure you're watching it, you know what I'm saying? Like, just stay through it. I know it's windy, but like, it's some good stuff. And shoot, the car is really fast. I've never actually got to like open it up like that since I've tuned it. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.